my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently at the airport, and as you can tell by my outfit, we are going to some place that is so cold, and I am super excited. Once we reach our destination, I will explain why this has happened all of a sudden, because as you guys know, I already went on our annual family trip. But yeah, this is another exciting trip. We finished all our security check and baggage check-in and everything. My passport, literally every time mama gets caught at the smart gate, because for UAE residents you can just use your residency visa and then go through, you don't have to stay through immigration. And this time me and Beyonce got stuck, so that's why we lost a little time. Now we are waiting at our, what is this place called?
Gate.
Yeah, we're waiting in front of our gate. So we'll board the flight. It's at 1:30, right? Our flight 1:25, 1:30, and it's a 3.5 hour journey. So it's not that bad. I'm going to sleep so much. We're literally running on like one or 2 hours of sleep. It depends on
No,
whenever
actually
they slept.
45 minutes of sleep. to
Okay,
be
I
exact.
slept earlier than you,
Yeah.
so I had a little bit more sleep. But it's tiring, you guys. I was supposed to film a whole other video explaining, like a get ready with me, but that did not happen because I was like very groggy. But yeah, so that is the update for now. I will also play some footage from weeks back and last month. Like, we've been prepping and I've been recording, so I'll add all of that footage now, and I'll see you guys at my destination. So everything has begun now. Beyonce's move, literally, like, we have bought everything so far. Like, not everything, most of it we've bought, but this is the first thing that mama's prepping for her. So this is going to be beef pickle, and when you're moving to that kind of a country, you are going to miss Indian food, so that is why mama's making this. This is how it looks after it's deep fried. It like literally looks red. Why is it red though?
Because the water is completely gone. It's dehydrated.
Oh,
And if you don't fry it, then the
it
pickle
just
will
melt off, right?
No, the pickle will get spoiled. There's water
Oh
in the
yeah. Our packing has officially started. It's full swing and it's chaos, literally. Look at this. We are like removing stuff, taking stuff, keeping stuff, blah blah blah. The most important thing is in, Beyonce.
Yeah,
Her stethoscope.
it's so beautiful looking. It looks so official.
Yeah, officially a doctor.
Not yet.
Okay. Beyonce's even taking loads of spices because we love spicy
I thought these
food.
were pistachios.
No, this is cardamom. Is it cardamom?
Yes.
Yeah, and
Is it cardamom?
red chilies.
Mama, can you look back and tell? Is that a cardamom?
Cardamom, right? We still don't know. We call capsicum, papaya, and all rubbish.
Mango.
So this bag gave us so much of trouble. First of all, we can only take one bag per person in this flight, so we tried to fit it in this one. Then we went to Abby's house.
It's this size. It's like a normal.
Yeah, it's like a medium-sized suitcase. Then we went to Abby's house and we got his suitcase, like Mama and Dada went. And we tried to fit it in this. It still didn't work
That was
out.
at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, that was at 2 o'clock. And we could only fit 15 kgs in the pink bag. Yeah, he's so helpful. Thank you, Abby. So we tried fitting it in this. It didn't work out. And at this point, we had already paid for extra baggage, like 10 kilos extra. And we have to somehow fit in everything, right? So you can now see the size difference. Literally, Dada went out at like 4 a.m. and got that green one that you can see there. That's a new suitcase. We are crazy, you guys. And the best part is, this only happens in UAE. At 4 a.m., which store is open where you can go and get a new suitcase? And it's beautiful. I love the color. So yeah, these are our final suitcases. After all that, now it's going to be 6 o'clock, literally. Yeah, Dad is telling that our taxi is gonna come in 3.5 hours and we haven't slept, and I have to go and film a whole get ready with me. So wish me luck.
إن شاء الله اليوم صار عندنا حوالي ساعتين و50 دقيقة نتحلق على ارتفاع 36,000 قدم. يرجى بخير سلامات السلامة عشان نبتدي دفع الخيط إلى الطائرة بعد 15 دقائق من الآن. معنا خاشة الطيران وسبحونا على الصوت. Senior First Officer for Daniel Rosa Group. We'd like to welcome with this aircraft 293, proceeding inshallah to Tbilisi. Today approximately 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Welcome to the next day. We just got up. Not just got up, it's been an hour since we got
No,
up.
almost 2 hours.
Okay, almost 2 hours. We went down for breakfast and the breakfast was really good, nice and light, and we don't feel too heavy. And here, one thing we realized, they don't have a lot of sweet options in their spread, because in UAE, whenever we go, there's like waffles, pancakes, lots of chocolate sauces and everything. But over here, it's mostly savory, which I love. I love savory food more. And Beyonce was like a little disappointed. There was a chocolate cake though, so that was nice. Anyways, yesterday I did not record much because after our flight we were so groggy. Like I said, also don't mind the noise. We're literally in the city, our hotel, and I've kept the windows open because the temperature is beautiful, you guys. I thought it's going to be very, very, very cold, but it's not that cold. You can literally go out with like, this is just a cotton top. So yeah, where was I? I was at the airport. Yeah, our flight was really good, and then we just came home. We checked into the hotel, we went to the grocery store, got some water and things like that, and then we had our dinner and we just all zonked off. Like literally for 10 hours I think we slept, something like that. And then today we have woken up. It's a beautiful day. So now Beyonce and Dada have gone to do some official work, the boring stuff. So Mama and I are just going to be in the hotel. We'll chill for a while, and I need to go buy shoes because Beyonce is moving here. Oh, I didn't explain in the video at all what's happening. So basically, Beyonce is moving to Georgia. We are in Georgia, if you couldn't tell. And she's going to study to become a doctor, you guys. 6 years she's going to be away from us, which is so sad, but I'm super happy for her. This is such an exciting opportunity. So all of us have come here to settle her in, and then we'll go back. So yeah, that's why we're here. And yeah, so she brought her shoes and I'm wearing hers, so I can't always wear her shoes, so I need to go buy shoes. That is the first thing on our agenda, and then I'll see how the day goes. So yesterday we went to the grocery store, Carrefour actually, and we stocked up on all our snacks and all these noodles, and literally you guys, everything is written in either Georgian or in Russian, and we were finding it so hard. I'll take you guys around and show you everything. So we're gonna try this noodles. I hope it is good. Okay, this was a big fail. The whole thing is literally leaking. I have it on a saucer right now. I don't know why it's leaking. Plus there's no fork in this, so we're gonna order room service, fork and knife. We have come to the grocery store and look at this. Literally in Russian, right, Beyonce?
Yeah.
And then there is a little bit of English here and there, but yeah, most of it is in Russian and Georgian. Of course, I get it, but yeah, we're used to having English everywhere. I was just talking about only English not being there, and look you guys, we found Arabic. So funny. We've never seen this brand in UAE though. We're on our way to dinner now, and Dada has found some Indian restaurant. It is currently 9 p.m. and we're hoping that it will be open. Like everything is shutting down already. But yeah, we're using Google Maps and we're trying to figure out where to go. So we are almost at the restaurant. We are super tired, and it's supposed to be 18 degrees or 17 degrees right now, and we're sweating through it. People over here, there is such a mixture. There's like people with puffer jackets or like leather jackets, and then there are people with short clothes. So we're not understanding what's going on
And you
here.
don't actually need a jacket at all.
Yeah, I'm sweating in this. I'm not going to wear another turtleneck again. Thank God I bought a dress from there. Okay, we're going uphill right now. That's why I'm panting. Sorry about that. So yeah, we're almost there. Just finished our dinner and we are walking back, and then we saw this ice cream place. It is so cold, but that's the best part. eating with in the cold temperature. What is that?
I don't know.
I think this is like
This
this is so new. We've never seen it. Oh, it's like a cute cone thing. It's a flat cone. Oh, what else do they have? That one looks nice.
I don't know.
What's that double chocolate thing?
Which one are you taking?
I think I'll go for this one. Can you take that?
One from you? Sure.
Which one are you taking?
I want to take this.
Okay. That looks like mocha or coffee or something.
Right.
Beyonce, show me your ice cream, how it looks.
I've already bitten it. Cheese. Yeah. It's delicious. It's
Oh my
dark
god,
chocolate.
maple leaves. I can't wait for it to get like
Autumn.
No, fall. Okay, not autumn. Okay, bye. I'm gonna enjoy this now. It is day 3 now. We have come out to explore the city again. The temperature is just beautiful. I will never stop saying how nice the temperature is. Beyonce is wearing a cotton shirt today.
Yeah.
I hope that's okay. Like yesterday you were feeling cold. By the time we were walking back from the restaurant, it was very cold. It was not 12. It was 1 or something.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it was even later. Right now we have no idea where we're going. We're just gonna walk, explore the other side. Because yesterday we went that way, so today we're going this way. And we're gonna find some delicious food to eat as well. Yesterday we went to that Indian restaurant. I totally forgot to vlog because we had very interesting conversations with 2 students. They are also med students and they were in the 4th year. So we were asking them how life is over here and where you get stuff like groceries and all of that. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog anything. And then on the way back we ate ice cream. I don't know why I'm giving you guys a recap. You just watched it. So yeah, I will update you when we do something else. So we got 2 jackets. Beyonce got one, what is it called? Raincoat thing with fur around the hood. And I got a gilet, puffer jacket actually with a hood.
Yeah.
I have one which is full sleeve, as you guys saw in one of the halls, but I needed one with a hoodie. This is their metro we just came across this. It's literally a subway. It's all underground. How cool. We don't have this in UAE. Finding it quite hard to understand the way the roads work. We literally hopped over this part and came this side thinking that there'll be an opening, but now we're inside some parking lot. I don't know what's going on. Just to go to Wendy's, as you can see on the right. We were there, but we got stuck in some parking lot, so we came all the way to the other side, and now we're gonna cross.
Just to go back there.
Yeah, just to go back there. It's so confusing over here.
a whole circle.
Yeah, people drive left hand over here, and there's right hand as well, but very less. But they drive on the wrong side of the road, if you know what I mean. What Dada bought us this morning, right Dada? They were selling this outside our hotel. Like people just randomly sell fruits here.
And the basket was full.
Yeah, and the basket was full. They finished eating most of it. So
Not
now,
most of it, okay?
okay, a lot of it. It's like really big. It is so good. I've never eaten such fresh raspberries. In UAE, it's always like either it's canned or those random ones on the cakes. Oh yeah, the frozen ones. But this one, I've never tasted anything like it. It's so good. So if you're coming to Georgia, you should always try the berries. Even Savia keeps saying that the cherries are delicious, but we haven't seen them yet, no? So hopefully we find soon.
Dada said there are a lot of strawberries.
Oh wow.
And this is not expensive.
How much was this?
This is like
1
in
kg?
dirhams. It was, how much was it in dirhams, Dustin?
Wow,
23
it was
dirhams.
only 23
And
dirhams.
it was almost more than 16 lari.
Okay, it was 16 lari. So basically 1.6 kg for 16 laris. And if you're going to buy this in UAE, it'll be so highly priced. So yeah, we got really lucky with this. It's going to be a snack for a while now.
But then we have to finish it quickly.
Yeah, it'll get spoiled soon, no?
So good.
Thank God we have a fridge in the room, so we can just keep it in there. we're just walking around and there's like pine cones everywhere. So we picked up 2 and Mama said that if you keep it inside the house submerged in water, right? It's good for the house, I guess. So we're gonna do that. What are these? We thought they're ladybugs, but no. So pretty. We are officially at Beyonce's uni and oops, that was literally a speed breaker that I walked into, but yeah. Her campus is stunning, you guys. Obviously from the main gate it's a little bit of a walk, but it's so pretty. I love it here. And there are 2 buildings, it seems. This is one building and the other one is there, that brick building. Oh my gosh, you guys, this university is beautiful. I'm in awe of the entire place and I'm so glad we got to see the place before Beyonce could actually start, because I never got to show Mom and Dad or Beyonce how my uni looks, because orientation day had already passed and then we went on summer holiday. So yeah, they did come in my campus a little bit, but they didn't get to walk through my uni. So we are having a fun time over here, like seeing everything. Beyonce was also very happy. Right now they're doing some documentation, boring stuff. So we're sitting out here in the hallway and I can see some art and all behind me, which is cool too, because in hospitals usually I don't think they would have any artwork around. But yeah, I will also show you guys the outside. We were just taking it all in, so I'll do a montage soon. Done with the university work. We didn't go to the new building because it's still not open yet, so I don't think we'll get to see that, but at least we got a gist of it. And now we're going to go apartment hunting, but I think
no, not today.
Not today?
No.
Then when are we going to
We'll
go?
have to let the agent know. The agent will give us.
Oh, the area that we want. So we're looking for apartments close by itself, because from the entrance itself she has to walk a lot. So if we stay in the city center, then she'll have to take 2-3 buses and then a metro, blah blah blah. So we have to like figure out the area that we want, and then our lawyer will tell the agent and then we'll see. So I don't think we're gonna do that today. I don't know what next. What have we been doing next?
I have no clue.
Okay, we're just walking now. We'll see. We found random mushrooms. So cool. Yeah, look. Look there. Straight ahead. That white thing. We're on here. Oh, this. They're so pretty. And so many acorns and everything. Mushrooms just growing randomly. Oh, here one.
Is that a mushroom?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a mushroom.
How would you know if they're poisonous or not? I have no idea.
And did you see all the random ladybugs?
Yeah,
So
no,
pretty.
those were not ladybugs. They looked like something else. So Beyonce, how does it feel after visiting your university?
That's a weird question.
Why?
Because I don't feel anything.
No, like, did you like it so far? I know you've seen pictures and all.
Yeah, it was like I was inside the picture. Because I've
Oh.
seen so much of it so many times,
Yeah.
imagining it.
And then you finally saw it.
Yeah.
The campus is beautiful. All the
Yeah.
trees. I don't know why you keep saying your campus is not nice. Have you seen my campus?
That's
My
why I'm
campus is
comparing it to-
beautiful, but not so big and so many trees.
Yeah,
We
there's a
do
lot
have
of
trees.
light.
Yeah, the light and the building, like, it's very pretty.
And then there's a new construction also.
Yeah, we couldn't go there because it's not done yet.
Yeah, probably next year. Apparently.
Next year? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Because they said they construct very slowly.
Yeah.
But they're already moving things. So,
Hopefully by the time you join in October, it'll
Yeah.
be perfectly good.
guys, it's raining right now. And it's getting a little heavy. And we don't have our umbrellas. We did bring them from UAE.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! There's a little thunderstorm. After visiting Beyonce's university, we decided to go to the mall, and as you can see, the weather is so nice. It started raining right as we were walking towards the mall, but then we got a little bored inside the mall, so we decided to come outside and sit under the shade and enjoy this beautiful weather. After sitting there for a while, we started feeling hungry and we did not want to eat any kind of fast food again because that was the only thing that was available at the mall. So we decided to go back to our hotel where we were staying, and right beside that there was a Chinese or Asian restaurant. I can't remember the cuisine exactly, and we had a delicious dinner. So this will be the end of the vlog, you guys. I hope all of you enjoyed our first few days in Georgia, and I'm going to start a new vlog immediately after this. We're going to go apartment hunting finally. It is currently like 6 p.m. and the weather, you can see my head, it is beautiful. So anyways, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!